So this is just a quick demo of how I got things working on my machine. So I was operating on Windows. I think the desired platform was Linux, so I'm running a virtual machine. And to make it all work, on my host machine I've got an Ethernet adapter hooked up to a crossover cable that runs into the Hioki MR8741, and on this virtual machine for the network I've got adapter 2 bridged with that adapter. And then to make it work we have to change the network settings in here. So I'd turn this off temporarily, but let's turn it on. Basically IP4 I'd set it to 192.168.0.3. that's because 1 was taken by the actual host machine, 2 was taken by the Hioki MR8741. The net mask is set here. The only other thing that needs to be done is IP6 has to be disabled. If you got that, it should work. So then we can do a quick test. Open a terminal. We can ping the Hioki device. Yeah, we can. Then we can use Telnet to make sure that we can have a conversation. The port in the Hioki MR8741 device is set to 8802. Oh, sorry, I didn't put the IP address in. Okay, and then the command for getting the ID of the machine is $IDN question mark. We get the correct response back, everything's happy. Control comma to close that, and then quick telnet. Fantastic. Now, I've written the code in this repository, and I've sent the link elsewhere. But basically the core code is in the send receive PY file. So it consists of a function and a test to test that function. And you can override these parameters, but they've got default values. So you basically send a message and then it'll send that and then collect the response and return that. And we test that that works by basically doing the exact same thing that I did with the telnet session. So they're expecting this response. We send this information, observe what actually happens. Does it match our expectation? If it does, we return true. And if you want to use this in some actual code, well, first off, let's run this and make sure it actually works. So test passed, true, fantastic. And let's just cap the start file. So this is how you would import that into your Python file. Import that F representing the run function, and then use it in your code. Now I've put boo here. Obviously that's not a command that the MR8741 is expecting, but you can replace this with whatever it is that is the code that you want. And that is about it. Thank you.